This is called the flow rope. It's supposed to get the hips moving. It's supposed to get things reversing. And it's supposed to be really good for running. What it's used for is getting your hips to move. So you're actually whipping all the rope around with the motion of your hips. When people master running from the hips, supposedly it makes them a much stronger and faster runner. It's a lot easier on your body. So this is gonna be something that I'm working on over the next little while. You're gonna see a lot more content from me coming out all about running. I'm just going running. And some of this, we're gonna get really good at flow rope. And then the next thing you gotta do is go like this. So you gotta go turn, flip, turn, flip, turn, flip. I don't know how to have that, but I am pretty darn good at whipping the wife and tying her up. How impressed are you with my flow roping?
Try to tie my arms together. I dare you.